Have you been looking for high chairs and maybe you're interested in a Stokke high chair, but you don't want to spend $200 or $300 for your baby's high chair? I want to introduce you to the Stokke Clikk High Chair. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles of their fancier models, but it's still a pretty solid chair that also doubles as a portable or travel high chair. Hi, I'm Katie Ferraro. I'm a registered dietitian and mom of 7. I specialize in starting solid foods and infant feeding. And when families come over to my house for parent coaching, when their babies are starting solid foods, I have them bring their high chair. So increasingly, parents have been bringing over a Stokke Clikk High Chair. And I wasn't super familiar with this high chair, but I do have to say it's grown on me for a couple of reasons. Now, for a little background, Stokke is a Scandinavian company that makes higher end high chairs. So this is definitely like their lower price point. But it has some of the features that the higher priced Stokke Tripp Trapp and the Stokke Nomi high chair have. I don't think it's as safe as those, and it certainly isn't as versatile as those. But at this price point, it's a pretty decent high chair. The Stokke Clikk is a fantastic option for parents who are looking for simplicity and style without sacrificing function. The Stokke Clikk is designed for easy meal times starting from 6 months of age and growing with your child until they're about 3 years old. What I love about this chair is that everything you need comes in the box. The high chair, the tray, the harness. There's no need to worry about buying extras. Plus, the pieces click together very easily, so you don't need tools to assemble this high chair. This chair is so easy to put together. It's called the Clikk. So the legs click in, the footrest clicks in, and the tray clicks in. When you're done with mealtime, it also breaks down super easy. There's no tools required to set it up or to break it down. To break it down, you're moving the tray, the footrest, and the legs, and everything packs down neatly into the Clikk travel bag, which you have to buy separately, but it's really convenient if you want to store the high chair in between meal times or you don't use it regularly, or if you're going to travel. Stokke actually refers to this as their travel high chair. It's probably a bit bigger than your typical portable or travel high chair, but it is nice that you can get everything into that one bag and take it with you on the go. As far as the footrest goes, now we want an adjustable footrest in a high chair because your baby's feet need to be resting flat on a solid foot plate. That helps stabilize their core and support a safe swallow. So while Stokke does claim that this is an adjustable footrest, and technically it is because it adjusts to all of 2 different heights, please note that the 2 heights in the Clikk high chair, they're 4 inches apart. Okay, your baby does not grow in 4-inch increments, so you very likely will need to do some modifications to this footrest in order to get it to a height so that your baby's feet are resting flat to support that safe swallow. Another drawback to this chair is that you cannot use it for a baby without the tray. So if you use a tray, that's great, but if you wanted to pull your baby up to the table to join you at mealtime for baby-led weaning, that is not an option with the Stokke Clikk high chair. If you're looking for a lightweight, affordable, portable high chair that you can get out of your kitchen and out of the way if you're not using it, I do recommend the Stokke Clikk high chair. I think there are better options with regards to adjustable footrest. You cannot adjust the seat in this high chair, but if you're interested in the Stokke Clikk high chair, that travel bag is a separate cost. However, I have a bundle deal whereby you can get the travel bag for free when you buy the Stokke Clikk high chair, and the details along with the link and instructions on how to do that are located in the video description.